Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 62 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is rank variance per country, and this question got asked in Meta. So the question is compare the total number of comments made by user in each country between December 2019 and January 2020. For each month, rank countries by total comments using dense ranking to avoid gaps between ranks in descending order, then return the name of the countries whose rank improved from December to January. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to basically find out how much comments has been made by user from each country between the duration of December 19 and December 2020. And then we have to do it month wise, like in 20, for example, in December, these are the country who commented this much, and these are the top countries. And we have to do for same in 2020, these are the countries and they has commented this much and these are their ranks. Then we have to check, like in December and in January, what are those countries whose rank has been changed. Okay, like that is improved in terms of comments, like they have made more comments and their rank has been improved compared to other countries. Okay, so this is what we have to do. So we have two tables given here, that is FB comments count, and second table is FB active users. So let's see both of these two tables. So in the first table, we have user ID created at and number of comments, like what is the user ID when they commented and the number of comments they have written. Okay. Then we have FB active users. Let's see this table as well. So in this table, we have user ID, name, status, and which country they belong. Okay, so half of the information are present in both of these two tables. Like we have to join these two tables basically to get the complete information. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to join these two tables. So for this, I'm going to take, let's name this as C, join FB active users U on C dot user ID. User ID is the common column between both of this table. So we are going to join on this common column, and U dot user ID. User ID. Okay. Now let's run this. We are getting all the columns. Now we do not need all the columns. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select everything from C dot star. Let me do one thing. Let me write each of the column name. C dot user ID, C dot, it's unique. So I can clearly write created at, then number of comments, and then country. Now let's run this. Okay, so we are getting this. Now we have to limit the duration as mentioned in the question. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to put one condition where created at between December 2019. So we have to write 2019, 12, and 1st of December, and it posted 2020 January. So till 31st of January. Okay, now let's run this. So yeah, so between this duration, these are the user IDs and these are the common number of comments they have made, and this is the country they belong. Okay, this is what we have done till now. Now, what we are going to do, we have to do it month wise. Like in December, how many comments has been made by some given countries, and in January, how many comments were made by the given countries. So what I'm going to do, instead of taking the complete date, I'm only going to take month value of it. So I'm going to take month. So I'm going to write down month, and here I'm going to write down as month. So if I'm going to run this, now I will get the month value. Okay, that this is 12, that is December month, this is 1, so it is January month. Okay, now, so now we have to rank these based on the month and the country the user belonged to. We have to find out in particular month which country has made how many comments. Okay, so for that we have to rank then those countries based on the number of comments they have made. Highest comment made by particular country will get the highest rank, that is 1. So I'm going to write down with CTE as using common table expression here. And then I'm going to write down select star from CTE. It is going to give us the same table. And now here what we are going to do. So let's do one thing. Okay. So first of all, we have to do what? We have to find out based on the month and the country, number of comments has been made. So we have to find out the unique combination of month and the country, and then we have to find out total number of comments made by that particular users in that particular country. Okay. So whenever we have to do something, a unique combination of something, we use group by. So I'm going to use group by here. First on month, then on country. Then I'm going to select month and country from here. And I'm going to sum number of comments made by each country. Okay. Let's name this as number of comments. Okay. Now let's run this. Yeah. So in December month by Australia, 5 comments has been made. In January month by Australia, 6 comment has been made. Okay. So now we are getting in particular month in a given country, how many comments were made. Okay. So in this country in December, 2 comments were made. In January, 3 comments were made. Okay. Now we have to rank these. Like in December month, who are the countries, and based on we have to find out in December month who are those countries that made the top comment, and then we have to rank it 1, less than that, rank 2, less than that, rank 3, and so on. Okay, so we have to rank. So for that, what I'm going to I'm going to use dense rank as mentioned in the question as well, so that we do not have rank gaps. So here I'm going to use the window function, that is dense rank. And then I'm going to use over clause. Here I'm going to do partition on month, partition by month, and then I'm going to order by number of comments made. Okay, so I'm going to copy this in descending order so that the top comments will get highest rank. Like the more number of comments will get highest rank. Let's name this as RM. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, so in month of January, Mali country made 11 comments and getting the rank 1. USA, 9 comments getting rank 2, and so on. So again, in December month, USA made maximum country, rank is 1. China made 8 comments, rank is 2, and so on. Now, given these ranks, okay, like see, for example, let's take the example of USA. So in December, USA rank is 1. Okay. And in January, USA rank is 2. So rank has not been improved. It has decreased. So this is not the country we need to print. As mentioned in the question, we have to return the name of the countries whose rank has improved. Okay. So if we see here, so this is one country, Mali. In December, the rank was 2. And in January, if you see, the rank is 1. So this rank has been improved. So this is one of the countries where we have to print it. Okay, because the rank has improved. So this is what we have to find. We have to compare rank of these 2 months, and we have to find out those countries where rank has improved. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, let's do one thing. I'm going to use another city. So let's name this as monthly ranks as. Let's close this. So I'm going to create 2 virtual table. One, it is going to show the December rank, the rank of the countries in December month. And another one, it's going to show us the rank of the country in January month. And then we are going to compare, and we are going to extract out those countries who is doing better in January than December. Okay, let me show you how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to do what? I'm going to write down select country, comma, RN as December rank from this monthly ranked virtual table that we have created, where month is equal to 12. Okay, so we are only considering December, that is month is 12. Now let's run this. So yeah, this is December rank. Okay, so we are getting USA is at 1, China is at 2, Mali is at 2, Australia 3, and so on. Okay, so this is for December. Same we are going to do for January. So I'm going to put this in a CTE. Okay, so I'm going to write down, let's name this as December, as this goes under a CTE. Now, same thing, I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste here. And I will show you how to do it for January month. So here the month value is going to be 1. So yeah, now let's run this. Let's name this as January rank. Let's run this. So yeah, this is Jan rank. So in January month, these are the country and these are their rank. Mali is at first, USA is at 2, China is at 3, and so on. So now we have created one instant of December. So similarly, we are going to create a same instant for January as well. January as. So we have these two tables now. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to perform. So just imagine that now we have two tables. One table is country and December rank. Okay. And another table is country and January rank. So we are going to join these two tables based on country, where the country is matching. And we are going to select those rank where the Jan rank is greater than December rank. Okay. Jan rank is great. Yeah, Jan rank is greater than December rank because the Jan rank has improved. So it is going to give us that country. Okay, that country which whose rank is improved. So, for example, we saw Mali was 2 in December and rank is 1 in January. So its rank is improved. Okay, I'm sorry, I said opposite. So we are going to join these two tables and based on the common country, and we have to check whether Jan rank is less than December rank, because if 1 is less than 2, so if rank has improved, Jan rank is going to be less than December rank. Okay, so based on this condition, we are going to extract out the countries whose rank has improved. Okay, so we have two tables. Now let's simply do the joining. So I'm going to write down select. Let's leave the column name for now. I'm going to write down from January. Let's name this as J. Join December D on J dot country is equal to D dot country. Country name is going to be same, right? Where condition is going to be J dot Jan rank should be less than J dot D dot December rank, right? And we have to select country name. Let's take it from Jan table or any table we can take, but I'm taking it from Jan table. So J dot country. Okay, now let's run this. So it is giving us Mali. So Mali is the country whose rank has improved. It was 2nd in December, but it goes up to 1 in January. So the rank has improved, and Mali is the only country where rank has improved. So we are getting Mali here. So this is a bit a lengthy query, but this is a good question. Basically, here we are not only ranking, we are ranking plus checking in what are those countries whose rank has improved between 2 months, in December and in January. Okay, so we have solved this. This is the query. Now let's see the expected output. So in the expected output as well, the country name is Mali. So our query is looking correct. So now let's see the solution. And yeah, our solution got accepted. So our query is correct. So what we did in this query, we first put the filter. We have selected only those duration where it lies between December and January. And from here, what we did, we group by on month and country, and then we find out the number of comments each country has made in a particular month, and then we rank those. And we have partitioned it by month. So for by month, we had the rank in December, what are the rank, like what are the ranks, top rank, first, second, third. In January as well, we have ranked the country based on the number, first, second, and third, and so on. Now, between 2 months, we identified what are those countries whose rank had improved. So for that, what we did, we created instances of those of the same CT, that is monthly rank. We extracted December month rank and we extracted January month rank. We created two instances, and then we joined those two tables, the virtual instances that we have created of those two tables, and then on the same country name, we checked which rank has improved. Okay, and then we extracted out the country's name. So this is what we have done till now to resolve this problem. So yeah, that's it. I hope you understood the problem and the query as well. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can put that too in the comment section. I hope you like the video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.